Alright, so here we are in Muskoka. It's snowing. Sitting by the old EX60, the one I used to operate years ago. We're gonna have a little fire, but first gotta let the thing warm up. So we're gonna warm it up. I gotta get a drone out of a tree that I lost, my dad's drone, and so we'll do that.
Hold up.
There she is, she's running. Running away. Alright, I go get that drone. I'm coming in! There's it! There's it! What are you doing? Yeah! 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 You guys go! The old homestead. There's Derek. You can hear it. It's up there somewhere. I was already here looking for it. So we'll go down here. Focus, camera. There you go.
Come on, buddy.
What? Oh, fuck. Working fencing. Whoa.
Gotta be that one. Be careful.
This is a shitty area to drop a tree. Ha!
Oh, I still see it right here. I didn't even break it.
Where is it?
It's on this side.
Is it?
You can grab it now.
Check it out. All right, we're up here. We're getting the fire going. We're being a little festive. So we got Rudolph. We got it pumped up on the exhaust. So we're gonna stir some of the fire up. And yeah, so let's test out the new exhaust Ordiment, shall we? We need some adhesive or something. Make them stay out a little better. Rudolph's nice and warm there.
Did he pop?